Hey y'all, welcome to another session of Come Learn with me. Obviously, a lot of our articles from last week that everyone liked and shared features a lot about the Reddit crowd and the Reddit movement. And so this is another one, fascinating. Power to the players, Reddit, Robinhood, and Bitcoin. This is in Advisor Perspectives. I like some of the articles. Just remember that we highlight the points. That should highlight. Let's come back to it. All right. Those of you with kids and grandkids may at some point have stepped inside a GameStop. If so, you might be familiar with the video retailer's tagline, power to the players. The same slogan could just as easily be the rallying cry for the millions of millennial and Gen Z Reddit users who took to Robinhood this week to drive up the share prices of the beloved yet struggling GameStop. There we go. Fun fact, Ross Perot is one of the earliest seed investors in GameStop's predecessor, Babbage's, which first opened its door in Dallas, in Texas in 1984. But now you've likely heard the full story, but just in case, a number of hedge funds, including Melvin Capital and McClellan Capital, took out short positions in GameStop, those whose sales were lagging even before the pandemic killed foot traffic. In response, anti-Wall Street organizers, interesting terminology, on Reddit urged readers to buy GameStop options en masse to catapult its shares to the moon. I don't think it started off as anti-Wall Street. I think it was more people trying to make money. This in turn forced Melvin and others to buy GameStop shares at much higher prices to cover their positions, leading to multi-billion losses. This month alone, GameStop surged from around $19 a share to $325, a more than 1,600% increase, 16 times. The stock traded a head-spinning $100 billion worth of shares this week, more than Apple and Amazon, according to Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas. To traders who genuinely care about the company's survival, I would suggest they consider supporting it by spending their money there this weekend. The Reddit-fueled rally has drastically impacted price discovery, not just GameStop, but other underdog stocks as well. Shares of movie theater operator AMC Entertainment, home goods retailer Bed Bath & Beyond, BlackBerry and Tootsie Roll Industries have also popped. Even Blockbuster's liquidation holding company saw surreal levels of trading, its daily volume jumping from zero just a month ago to nearly 24 million shares today. Blockbuster, the resurgence of Blockbuster. Should we get these names in? Okay, let's do it. Tootsie Roll. I like Tootsie Roll. Gil Scott-Heron, considered by many to be the first rap artist, informed us back in 1971 that the revolution will not be televised. It may be so, but it will be tweeted, shared on Instagram, upvoted on Reddit, and traded on commission-free Robinhood using decentralized Bitcoin and Ethereum. Power to the players indeed. In support of democratizing capital markets, no matter where your opinion falls in all of this, you can't deny that it's historic. To my knowledge, nothing like this has ever happened before in capital markets, where millions of small traders, many of them using their $600 stimulus checks, worked in tandem to cripple wealthy institutional investors, leveraging their very own trading strategies against it. Yeah, that's a long sentence, but the crux of the article. Let's check. It is historic. In the process, a number of these traders have made life-changing amounts of money. Let me be clear. I'm in favor of Robinhood's mission to democratize capital markets and finance. But like democracy itself, things can sometimes get messy. What the Redditors are doing is not investing. This isn't the same as Robinhood is buying airline stocks after Warren Buffett dumped his position in the four big carriers. It isn't even speculation. It's activism. Think of it as a type of anti-Wall Street Arab Spring. And I fear that some young people may get hurt when the bottom falls out. Yeah, and some big hedge funds may get hurt as well. Robinhood clearly felt the same when it halted trading in some of the heavy short stocks. And on Friday, as many as 50 other stocks. The company's tagline is investing for everyone. Tried to clarify its decision in email this week, saying the temporary restriction was not made on the direction of any market maker we route to or other market participants. Robinhood also emphasized its long-standing mission to open the capital market up to a greater share of people, including younger and non-traditional investors. I think that's well done, right? This past year in particular is showing us that the financial markets are for everyone, not just institutional investors and hedge funds. Democratizing finance for all means giving people more people access, not less. And this goes on to moving to other articles with Ray Dalio, etc. So that's it. Interesting times. The Arab Spring in Wall Street.